Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode. Today I want to talk about 7 accounts that you must have on your investment journey. This one should be very rich, so please stick with me to the very end. Let's dive right into it, guys. The very first account I want to talk about is your checking account and your credit card. You want to have a checking account that has very little fees, and you want to have a credit card that has a points or a cashback program. Very important. Now use your credit card like you would use a debit card. Swipe it for every transaction. Use it to build credit. Now, in order to build good credit, you want to make sure you pay off that credit card by the end of the month. Very important, guys. You have to be responsible with the credit card. Pay it off by the end of the month or by the end of the billing cycle so that you don't pay any interest on it. Paying interest on a credit card is like throwing money away. The interest is just too high and you don't want to take that. You don't want to take that hit. So the next account I want to talk about is a high interest savings account. Everyone should have a high interest savings account, regardless of what you do in life. As long as you earn an income, you should have a high interest savings account. The money that you want in this account is money that you want readily available when you need it. So for example, your emergency fund or any money that you need in a short term. So very important. That's the only money you should have in this account. Every other money, you want that money in long-term investments. The next account I want to talk about is a TFSA account and a Roth IRA. The TFSA account is for Canadians and the Roth IRA is for Americans. But both of these accounts are tax-free savings accounts, which means whatever money you invest in there, if you make any returns, you don't pay taxes on those returns. Now, the government sets contribution limits that you can contribute for these accounts. The contribution limit for Canadians for 2024 is $7,000, and for Americans is also $7,000 for people below 50 years old. But if you are above 50 years old, you have an extra contribution limit of $1,000 to catch up. So take advantage of this, guys. Also, make sure the money that you put in this account is invested. Most people make that mistake of just letting the money sit in these accounts. You want that money to be working for you and growing. The next account I want to talk about is the RRSP account and the 401k. The 401k is for Americans and the RRSP is the Registered Retirement Savings Plan for Canadians. Both of these accounts are tax deferred, which means whatever money you invest in the accounts, when you get returns on that money, you pay taxes when you withdraw it. You only pay the taxes when you withdraw the money. Very important to note, guys. Now, some employers do RRSP and 401k matching, which means if you contribute a certain amount of money, your employer will contribute a percentage of that money. You want to take advantage of this and contribute the max that you need to contribute so that your employer can contribute the max that they need to contribute. Do not leave money on the table. So many people are leaving money on the table by not making contributions into this account. The next account I want to talk about is the RESP account and the 529 account. These are education savings plan accounts for people with children. If you have children, take advantage of this account. Contribute money into this account and invest that money for their education. The best investment you can give to a child is contributing towards their education. Now, Canadians have an advantage over Americans with this account in the sense that the government contributes 20% of the first $2,500 that you contribute in this account. So it is very important that you take advantage of this money if you live in Canada. So many people live in Canada, they have children and they don't take advantage of this account. Please don't leave free money on the table. Very important, guys. The next account I want to talk about is a brokerage account or an investment account. You can get this account through your financial institution or through third parties. I usually advise people to go for the ones with their financial institutions because they're trusted, they've been tried and tested. This account, you can invest in stocks, you can also invest in index funds or whatever investment your bank offers or your financial institution offers. Take advantage of this one, guys. The next account I want to talk about is a crypto account. A crypto account, you want to make sure you have a crypto account. This one is a little bit iffy. Not too many people believe in crypto. I believe in crypto. I think there is a huge potential in crypto. If you're not investing in crypto, you're going to potentially miss out because I think the future is very bright for crypto. So those are the accounts I had to share with you guys. There are many more accounts out there, but these are the ones I think are very important, are very necessary for your financial growth. If you find this useful, if you have learned a thing or two, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share with a friend, invite a family member, and let's keep growing this family, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.